So today I will be doing my hair in this video. I won't be talking much. The hair that I'll be using is the Expression Twist Up. Stringy hair, I guess. With my little hair set up, you know I do. Without further ado, y'all, we're gonna get straight into this video. I'm gonna just be doing my hair. Yeah, let's get into it. Good morning, everybody. We are currently in the next day. As y'all see, my hair is wrapped up. I'm gonna show y'all my hair when I unwrap it and stuff like that. Right now, it is put up, put back, out my face, out my way. After my hair was done, I was so hungry. I immediately went to go make us some food. We had some chili baked potatoes, okay? Should have took some pictures, but we was just too hungry. It was late, and we ate it too fast. So right now, I am currently editing the video. What I was about to say? I was about to say something, but I forgot. I'm supposed to unpack my room with y'all, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera. It's been a lot of editing and a lot of recording behind scenes, and I'm doing all this by myself right now. So just bear with me, cause y'all know what to do. Y'all know what to do. I'll see me when y'all see me, okay? All right. Y'all enjoy seeing my beautiful face, my beautiful smile. I'll see you on my next video.